Welcome back to Ride Radar, your destination for everything that moves from the future of electric mobility to the roar of combustion power. If it's on wheels and turns heads, we're talking about it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and buckle up because today, we're diving into one of BMW's most compelling electric crossovers yet. The all-new BMW iX4, the BMW iX4, commands attention the moment it enters your field of view. This is a vehicle that blends classic BMW sport utility cues with next-generation electric styling. At the front, the iconic kidney grille is unmistakable. But here it's sealed and repurposed as a panel for advanced driver assistance sensors. Framed by ultra-slim adaptive LED or optional laser headlights, the face of the iX4 is sharp, modern, and intentionally distinct from its combustion engine siblings. There's no unnecessary aggression, just assertive confidence, you can see. BMW's design team wanted to create an EV that feels both futuristic and familiar, and they nailed it. From the side, the proportions speak to BMW's X DNA, with a coupe-like roofline that gives it a dynamic profile while still maintaining everyday practicality. Clean character lines flow along the flanks, giving the body a sculpted, muscular feel. The door handles sit flush with the body, as the aerodynamic mirrors are designed to reduce drag while also housing cameras and sensors for the surround view system. Wheels range from 19-inch lightweight alloys to optional 21-inch M aerodynamic rims that not only look aggressive, but also contribute to efficiency. Subtle design tricks like aero side skirts and a rear roof spoiler reinforce that this vehicle wasn't just built to look good. It was built to slip through the air with minimal resistance. Around the rear, the design is clean but impactful. Three-dimensional LED taillights stretch into the tailgate and glow with a distinctive signature when lit. There's a quiet sophistication to the rear end. No faux exhaust pipes or flashy badges, just precise surfacing and functional detailing. Even the rear diffuser has been shaped to guide airflow under the car efficiently. The body color palette includes classic BMW shades like Alpine White and Black Sapphire, along with bolder metallics like Brooklyn Gray or the stunning Frozen Portimao Blue. Optional shadowline trim adds a darker, sportier vibe for those who prefer a more aggressive look. Every angle of the iX4 has been carefully crafted to express modern luxury and quiet confidence. Inside the iX4, the tone shifts from muscular to serene. This is a space designed to calm, not overwhelm. Dominating the dashboard is BMW's curved display. It's a sweeping piece of glass that merges a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central infotainment touchscreen. This setup floats elegantly above a slim, minimalist dash wrapped in soft materials and accentuated by ambient lighting that can be customized across a spectrum of colors and effects. It's subtle, smart, and incredibly well integrated. BMW's attention to material quality is immediately noticeable. Depending on the trim, you'll find options like open-pore eucalyptus wood, recycled aluminum accents, and soft Sensitech or genuine Vernasca leather upholstery. There's also an interior design suite that swaps out traditional leathers in favor of sustainable fabrics, giving eco-conscious buyers something to get excited about without sacrificing quality. The steering wheel is thick-rimmed and heated, with multifunction controls and haptic feedback that's satisfying to the touch. The front seats are everything you expect from a premium BMW, supportive yet plush, heated and ventilated, and with an available massage function that makes long trips feel indulgent. Rear seat passengers benefit from surprising amounts of legroom and headroom, even with the sloped roofline. The panoramic glass roof, electrochromatic and dimmable, creates an open, airy feel, transforming the cabin into a light-filled lounge on wheels. Storage is generous, with large door pockets, a deep center console, and a hidden compartment under the trunk floor that's perfect for cables or valuables. You also get a decent-sized frunk, something BMW has added here to maximize utility. The X4 runs on BMW's iDrive 8 software, which brings snappy performance, crisp visuals, and natural voice control. Say, "Hey BMW," and the car becomes your assistant, adjusting the climate, changing the music, or navigating to your next charge stop. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, And for audiophiles, there's an optional Bowers and Wilkins Diamond surround sound system that truly has to be heard to be believed. It transforms the cabin into a mobile concert hall. Under the skin. The iX4 is all about balance, power, precision, and poise. The eDrive 40 variant features a single electric motor at the rear, delivering around 335 horsepower and a 0 to 60 mph time of about 5.7 seconds. It's smooth, linear, and deceptively quick. If you want more muscle, the dual-motor xDrive 50 model turns things up with all-wheel drive. It's 516 horsepower and a 0 to 60 sprint of just under 4.5 seconds. That's seriously fast for an SUV. Electric or not, handling is where the iX4 shines. Thanks to its low center of gravity, near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, precise electric steering, it drives more like a sports sedan than a crossover. Body roll is minimal. An optional adaptive M suspension lets you dial in the firmness depending on whether you're cruising on the highway or carving up back roads. Multiple drive modes, Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and Individual let you customize the experience to your liking. The regenerative braking system can be adjusted from light to heavy, or left in adaptive mode, where it intelligently modulates based on traffic and topography. BMW claims a range of 300 to 340 miles, depending on the variant wheels and driving conditions. That's competitive, and with support for up to 205 kilowatts DC fast charging, you can go from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. BMW includes 2 years of complimentary charging through Electrify America and the iNet network in Europe, making ownership even easier. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just enjoying the open road, the iX4 gives you both the power and the peace of mind to go wherever life takes you. Safety is another strong point. The iX4 comes standard with a full suite of driver assistance tech, including blind spot detection, lane departure, warning, frontal collision mitigation, and adaptive cruise with stop and go. There's also an available driving assistant professional package that enables hands-free driving in certain conditions, using a tracking and radar to ensure you're paying attention. As for pricing, the BMW iX4 eDrive 40 starts around $62,000, while the dual-motor xDrive 50 will set you back closer to $72,000 before options. Loaded up with premium packages, M Sport enhancements, and advanced tech, and you could be looking at around $82,000. But at that point, you're driving one of the most capable and refined electric SUVs on the market. The BMW iX4 isn't just an electric version of something familiar. It's a thoughtful, well-engineered, and genuinely exciting vehicle that blends performance with sustainability, technology with emotion, and luxury with restraint. Whether you're coming from an internal combustion BMW or looking to make your first step into electric driving, the iX4 delivers the kind of experience that makes you feel like the future's already here, and you're in the driver's seat. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Ride Radar. Let us know in the comments, is the iX for the electric crossover you've been waiting for, or are you holding out for something else? Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. Ride Radar, signing off.